Let's explore pi, a number that might seem simple but is actually quite profound. Pi, represented by the Greek symbol, is approximately 3.14159 and continues infinitely. It has been called the mysterious number that connects circles to the universe. Let's dive in to understand what makes pi so special. Pi is defined as the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. Now, what does that mean? Imagine you have a circle. The circumference is the distance around the circle, kind of like the perimeter. The diameter is the distance across the circle, passing through the center. If you divide the circumference by the diameter, you always get pi, which is approximately 3.14159. Hence pi equals c divided by d, where c is circumference and d is diameter. Pi is always the same no matter the size of the circle. Whether you have a small circle, a medium circle, or a large circle, the ratio of its circumference to its diameter will always be pi. This is why pi is considered a constant. So, any size circle will give you pi, underlining its universal nature. The quest to understand pi isn't new. Around 2000 before Common Era, the Babylonians approximated pi as 3.125. In 1650 before Common Era, Egyptians calculated pi as 3.16 using the Rhind papyrus. Around 250 before Common Era, Archimedes made a breakthrough using the polygon method, arriving at an approximation of 3.14. These ancient civilizations laid the groundwork for our modern understanding of pi. Here are some of the famous digits of pi. Pi starts with 3.14159265358979323884197169393750105820974944. Pi never repeats and never ends, making it an infinite mystery. The digits of pi goes on forever. Pi is not just a number, it appears everywhere in the real world. It's crucial in space navigation, engineering design, signal processing, and even quantum physics. Orbital calculations use pi, highlighting its role in understanding the universe. From the smallest signals to the largest orbits, pi helps in calculations. Here's a simple way to estimate pi using a computer program, by using what is known as the Monte Carlo method. First, import the random library. Then define total points as 1 million and inside circle as 0. Now for underscore in range of total points, x equals random.uniform from -1 to 1, y equals random.uniform from -1 to 1. If x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 is less than or equal to 1, inside circle plus equals 1. Pi estimate equals 4 times inside circle divided by total points. The estimated result of pi is approximately 3.14152, which is calculated by using random points. Want to remember pi digits? Use the word length method. For example, how I want a drink translates to 31415. Count the letters in each word. Another method is rhythm and rhyme, for instance, 3.14159, that's the fun. These memory techniques can help you recall pi digits more easily using word count and musical memory. Pi is also very important in quantum physics. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle, given by delta x times delta p is greater than or equal to h bar divided by 2, contains pi, where h bar equals h divided by 2 pi. Pi is also a fundamental part of wave functions, as shown by the formula psi of x equals ae to the power of I2 pi x divided by lambda. Pi appears in fundamental quantum mechanics equations, indicating its importance in understanding the quantum world. In conclusion, pi is a universal constant found in every circle. It powers space exploration and is essential in quantum physics. Pi is a number that connects everything in mathematics. Pi is approximately 3.141592653589793238846. Pi is a cornerstone of mathematics, with far-reaching implications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.